O mga idol, kakanta tayo ng open arms, ha? Hindi underarms. Underarms, kilikili yun. Okay? Mabaho ba? Hindi. Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind?
We sailed on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say.
So here I am with open arms, hoping you see what your love means to me. Open arms. Mamahalin mo ba ako kahit na mabaho kilikili ko? Are you sure? Living without you, living alone, this empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near, how much I wanted you home. But now that you come back, remind you today, and I need you to stay. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to have. Believe what I'm saying. So here I am,
Open arms,
hoping you see that your love means to me. Underarms. Ayos. Ayos ba, idol? Isang appeal. I love you, idol. Esperanza!